Alright, this video is going to cover how to remove the wheel slash motor slash tire from the OneWheel. Alright, here we go. You're going to need a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. Flathead with an 1/8 inch bit is helpful. 1/8 inch Allen wrench, 1/4 inch Allen wrench. I have the same impact bits to go in my little impact driver to take it apart faster, and a little tray for everything. Alright, here we go. First thing we're going to do here is take the cover for the battery, or not the battery, sorry. Cover for all the wires off. Then you're going to want to undo this little screw right here. Screw and holds a little wire. Then we'll loosen, not remove, all 4 of these bolts. Then after you loosen these 4 bolts, you take these 2 little screws out, and then this little cover will come right off. There we go. Come over here, undo this lock ring on the black wire, and then push this white tab back, this black tab down, and this plug will come undone. No, the wheel is unhooked. So, put the board on the side. These 2 bolts the rest of the way out. Hold right here, flip it back over. And you take these 2 bolts, rest of the way out. Now the wheel will come right out the top of the board. There. All right, there we go. That's that easy. Thanks for watching.